Alright, this morning we're going to go over lift stations and how to properly diagnose a panel. This is a smaller panel than what you'll normally see on a job site. Normally you can see a three-phase. We have a small little one-phase right here. As you can see, your incoming power going through the breaker, running over here to your panel, which has your switches, your auto, your hand, your off, going through all these fuses, which is going to here your contactors, which if I push these in, I can get contact and get the motors running down there just by hand and holding it in. The first thing you want to do, get your multimeter, put it on voltage, and test your incoming volts. You always want to know what you have, so you know what you're operating with. You're going to look for your ground. So you can get a proper reading. We're getting 121 volts there, 124 there. And then you want to just kind of keep moving through the whole panel and just follow your wires and follow the power so that you can see and test and make sure you're getting power and the correct voltage through all of your components here in the panel. Normally you will see a thermal overload on the top side here of your contactors, and that is to help the pumps so that if they're working too hard or if they get clogged up or anything like that and they start overworking, that thermal overload is going to kick in and shut the pump off before it works too hard and burns itself out. The next thing you need to be finding out is if you can use the history, if we've ever been out to the panel before. Try to figure out what the amperage is on the pump that's in the tank. If you can't find that out, you want to be looking at getting like a tripod and potentially pulling that pump. But then what you want to do is change this 2 amps. I believe it's this one on this meter here, and then you're going to connect it to your power wires. You don't want that to happen.
Always turn the breaker off whenever you're having to do anything with the wires.